Hello, everyone. This is Matt Miller at Burtness Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Whitewater, Wisconsin. Just giving you a quick walk around on the 2016 Dodge Durango RT that we have here on the lot. Really nice sporty vehicle, leather interior, sunroof. This one's got about 77,000 miles. Really nice vehicle. This one's an all-wheel drive model, of course, so you'll be good through the winter. Plenty of cargo room. All the nice stuff. It's got a Beats radio system in it for high output audio. Touchscreen with navigation. Dual zone climate. Really nice vehicle. If you're in the market for a real sporty SUV, this might be the right one. If you'd like to call us here at the dealership, it's 262-473-8080. And if you'd like to work online at driveburtness.com, you can work with our online sales staff. Thank you very much, everyone.